A little girl won a contest to be the next Annie, but was replaced before her Broadway debut. Her family sued, and it was a hard-knock life for the actor during discovery, as the district court limited the scope of discoverable information in Pacitti versus Macy's. Producers of the musical Annie partnered with Macy's to search for a child to play the lead. Macy's contract with the producers stated that the winner would have the opportunity for a standard actors' equity contract with producers. Macy's distributed promotional materials claiming the prize was playing Annie on Broadway. The promotional materials didn't state that the winner would receive an equity contract with producers. Joanna won. She and her mom signed the equity contract, which gave the producers the right to replace Joanna at any time. Joanna played Annie during the show's national tour. Before it premiered on Broadway, the producers replaced Joanna. Acting on Joanna's behalf, her parents sued Macy's in Pennsylvania State Court and brought claims for breach of contract and various tort claims, including fraudulent misrepresentation. Macy's removed the case to federal court based on diversity jurisdiction. During discovery, Joanna tried to get information from Macy's about Macy's arrangement with producers, but the court issued an order limiting the discovery Macy's needed to provide. Macy's moved for summary judgment, arguing that Joanna received her prize, which was the equity contract with producers. In support, Macy's relied on its own contract with producers that specified the winner would receive an equity contract, not a guarantee to perform on Broadway. The court sided with Macy's and granted summary judgment. Joanna appealed the summary judgment and discovery orders. With discovery, she argued that the court limited her ability to gather relevant information to prove her fraudulent misrepresentation claim. The Third Circuit addressed the appeal.